What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Paisa Built. So today I figured you guys have seen the truck in the YouTube channel. We use it to create the content, to take it to the shows, but I don't know if most of you guys know what it took to build this truck the way it is. I mean, we're still in the progress. Mi compa Papaya, he's still working on it, but we want to show you guys and tell you guys what it took to build it the way it is now, and then what he has in plans in the future to make it even better. So to start off, we have a 2015 GMC Sierra, and dele saludos a la cámara.
What's up, guys? ¿Cómo andan? ¿Cómo andan?
So aquí la estamos acabando de secar, porque le dimos una lavada porque estaba sucia, estaba bien empolvada. Papaya se metió a los arenales, que 4-wheel drive y no sé qué. Le dije, cálmate, Papaya. Okay. What was the first thing that you did to this truck when you bought it?
So, what's up, guys? My name's Papaya, but the first thing I did to this truck, I dropped it. We did I believe it was a 4.7.
Because you got it stock, right?
Yeah, I got it stock.
Like completely stock, and then so I'll post a picture here. What it looks like stock, and so then you dropped it. You did a 4.7.
Yeah, I did a 4.7.
Okay, and then ¿cuánto te salió más o menos para tumbarla en ese tiempo?
En aquel tiempo, I think just the parts and everything were like 800.
800, okay.
And then plus the labor, my boy Jose Diaz, he did it.
Okay, so we did a drop kit.
It was control arms.
Control arms.
Upper and lower.
Upper, lower, y luego el
flip
kit.
Yeah, it was a flip kit with... What is it on? The street scene shocks, the silver ones? Street scene, I think.
Sí, los más comunes. Los Next, ¿no son los Nexen?
No, los Nitro o algo
Nitro,
así.
yeah.
Son los negros.
Oh, okay.
Those are the cheap ones. Pero está como muy... I don't know. I like the silver ones. They're a little bit more stiff.
Yeah, I think they aguantan el peso un poquito más.
Sí, I like the silver ones. They're a little more cheap, more expensive, but I mean, you get what you pay for, you know?
Yeah, okay. So, le pusiste el drop kit y luego, did you get wheels or what was your next upgrade?
My next upgrade, yeah, it was a 24s, the dubs, the silver ones.
Oh yeah. So, he put a drop kit, the wheels.
Right away, like in less than 2 weeks.
Ay, madre. 2 weeks to build it así de volada. Y pues sí, es que es por ley, tienes que... Cuando compras una troca, you gotta be ready to put the money if you don't want it to be stock. And stock is not an option around here, so...
Still have tags on it.
Dale. Yo me acuerdo
the paper tags.
Yo me acuerdo que la GMC 4-door tenía paper tags, ya estaba tumbada, HD front end y con notch. Ya era salvage antes de plaquearla. Pero, okay. When did you do the color match front end?
So the color match, we did it before going to. It was a show in Phoenix. I don't know what show it was. I don't know if it was at a showdown or. No me acuerdo la neta qué show era, pero allí. I know it was probably like Phoenix, algo así, porque se me que lo hizo. ¿Cómo se llama? El que vino aquí y compró las trocas, ¿cómo se llama?
Oh, Pablo.
Pablo, yeah. Yeah, he did that one, so before going over there, literally like la agarré el pinche jueves y el viernes me fui para.
Pinche front end. Aguantó, mira.
Tiene como 2 años el color match todavía. Tiene como 2 años en holding up. Shout out to my boy Cuca. Y no lo he tipeado. No lo he tipeado, la vena.
Nosotros no hacemos esas cosas de tipear aquí.
He ido a Denver, hemos ido a Las Vegas, he ido a Amarillo, Phoenix, everywhere, and no tape needed.
So, le hiciste el color match. A ver. Le hiciste el color match. ¿Y qué más le hiciste? Bueno, ¿cuánto salió para to upgrade to coilovers and 4-link?
So just in parts, I paid like 1,600 around there, 1,500.
Was that what,
What was a
Reckless?
3-link? No, it was a infamous, algo así,
Infamous.
infamous, algo así.
Oh yeah.
And then it had a QA1 coilovers. And then it came with the notch, but la neta,
So we used. Oh no, we
it
didn't
was a
use the
little
notch.
whack ass notch.
Did you, cuando la tumbaste, did you go straight to underbed? Oh no, you have step notch, right?
Yeah,
Did you go step notch right away?
yeah.
Okay, so sometimes if you are planning on going anything lower in the future, I would just recommend to go straight to the biggest you can. Or, I mean, on Chevys, underbed is good for 9, and step notch, if you're gonna be pushing 8 or so, y le vas a poner peso, métele el step notch. Porque después vas a tener que. It's harder to upgrade from a underbed to a step notch
Yeah.
than from a C notch. C notch is fine. If you can afford a C notch, that's fine. But if you think you can go lower, just go ahead and do step notch, cause
Yeah, that's what I did too. I didn't want to waste twice. Plus, it was gonna be hard, you know.
ya el tiempo vas a pagar doble y pues ¿para qué? Just
Yeah.
straight. Te salen casi igual, ¿no? The difference like probably like if anything 80 100 bucks. But okay, you did the color match, you did the drop, you did the colors in the back. Um, why did you buy this truck?
To be honest, it started as a daily.
On a
So
daily.
that's when I had the other GMC that was turboed.
Oh yeah.
So that fucker, and it was at the shop. So
Que dijiste, vamos a comprar una troquita sencilla nomás
I
para.
wanted like a daily, like it was supposed to be only like a little drop on 22s, 24s. You know, just an everyday truck, a reliable truck. I mean, still kind of is reliable, but just you know, I don't mind driving it on billets.
Yeah.
You build your shit, you drive your shit.
Aquí no le tenemos miedo a manejar o dañar. Bueno, sí, poquito, obviamente.
Yeah, but I mean, it's not cheap to fix, but I mean,
Pero pues, cero miedo.
pay to play.
Yeah, you gotta pay to play.
If you want to drive it, yeah.
What's your next goal for this truck? ¿A dónde la quieres dejar? ¿Dónde quieres ir con ella?
To be honest, well, right now, I'm getting better another wheels, probably the same size, but still, you know. And then,
Porque ahorita tienes 26 is by 12 with a 8-inch to 6-inch concave, right?
yeah.
So.
Well, you skipped a lot. I still did tubs.
Oh, sí, pues.
I still did the tubs. I still dropped them more in the front. I still did spindles. Cuando él le puse el drilling, le puse spindles in the front. So it was like a 6. It was a 6 in the front, and in the back, it was what, like a 12 in the back. And then we did the tubs, we did the bed liner. So it's quite a bit of money you skipped.
¿Cuánto?
And then after, that's when I bought. Oh no, that's when I was riding on 3-link with the dubs still. And then after, that's when I bought the Torinos. I went to go get my diff.
Oh, ya fuimos a Phoenix los dos.
Bueno, tenía los Torinos, and then los tuve por what, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Yeah.
And then that's when we went to Phoenix to get my diff cut.
Ahí empezamos con el rear end.
The rear end, and then I had spacers on those wheels. They look kind of funny because estaban bien metidos. And then after, well, I sold the wheels. Le junté un poquito más feria. Well, junté feria, and then I sold the wheels. And then I bought these.
Lo chido, lo bueno que hizo Papaya fue cuando cortó el diferencial, aunque tenía rines de 6 pulgadas de labio, de una vez aprovechó la oportunidad y le cortó a 10, right? Okay, so, ahora ¿qué le vas a querer hacer a la troca? What's next? What's next for the mamalona?
Well, hopefully, I kind of want to do interior.
Okay.
At least Denali, you know, something simple.
Because even though we recently did the sunroof and it has
Yeah.
suede headliner, está todo mamalón negro. Pues ya nomás lo único que falta es
Asiento.
los asientos.
And a center console.
¿Le vas a meter sonido?
I kind of want to. If I do a center console, a lo mejor sí le pongo like a TD panel and then like a 12 or something.
Un little panel estaría chido ponérsela aquí. Ya, para que sea todo negro.
Yeah, todo.
What do you do? What about colored seats?
If I do, yeah, probably. Maybe, I don't know, maroon? Nah, I don't think so. Probably red, because I want to powder coat my suspension.
Okay.
So I was looking at this red that's like candy. I saw that my boy Corner, ¿cómo se llama? Ahí en el power, ¿cómo se llama?
Duke City Power Coating.
Cornflake.
Cornflakes, el Jorge.
George, he put a red el otro día, and that really fucking sick. It was like candy. That color was nice, so that color is nice to put. I mean, I wanted purple, but I mean,
Muchos tienen purple.
so I mean, I don't hate on it, but it just.
¿Qué pintarías? ¿Lo más como las barras y todo eso?
I'll probably just do all out differential.
Ah.
I'll probably do like div, calipers, la tapa del div, las barras, the coilover springs, and then todo enfrente sería upper, lower control arm,
Upper, lower,
spindle,
y luego
el pinche, ¿cómo se llama?
coilover.
Para la verga lo que tiene enfrente.
La stability bar también, ¿sí
Todo
tienes?
Todo lo que sea, which Harley will do it here pretty soon. A lo mejor la vamos a desarmar toda.
Acabo, ya viene winter time, no vamos a salir casi. De una vez, I think winter is a good time to upgrade your truck for the major upgrades.
Little by little, you know, it's not gonna be all at once, you know, but you know, probably do take off all suspension, o juntar feria, you know, powder coat it, and then ya ponérsela para atrás toda, y luego juntar feria, and maybe si salen los seats, you know, get some seats for now, and then for los wheels, basically I sold this one, so I'm not gonna pay nothing more, you know. I'll probably put a little more, you know, 500, 1,000 more for some better wheels, better, bigger lip, but other than that, like.
Oye, sí. ¿A poco se quema siendo V6?
No creo.
Sí, seisito, sí aguanta. Y luego con los 26s. Y luego andan batallando muchos con el VA ahí, con stocks.
Stock, homie.
Esas son palabras muy fuertes, papaya. You sure you want to say that?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
They were making fun of me.
Pinche.
Me dijeron, ¿a poco sí la va a quemar? ¿A poco sí queman esos rines? Then you go, fuck your stocks.
¿Te decían en Colorado?
Some guy in New Mexico truck.
Oh, sí, cierto.
He was like, ¿a poco sí quema con esos rines, primo? And then
Show
I
them
showed them up, and I told him, I was like, it burn better than your stocks. Así que fuck your stocks, homie.
Jeez. No estás enojado, ¿eh?
No. But yeah, pobrecita, no more desmadre. Maybe next year we'll do a burnout truck too.
Yeah, so
I don't want to waste too much money on this one. Just maybe color match the suspension, or not color match, powder coat the suspension, some seats, and some rims. No, que sí tengo que hacer is top the front.
Oh yeah.
That's probably the major thing I'm gonna do. Dejarla así por un rato, you know, and then maybe get a burnout truck.
Ya, porque estás
Un sponsor.
un sponsor.
Nah, I'll take it to my boy.
Tenemos como 300 videos, 300 followers ahorita, ¿no habrá alguien que nos pueda ayudar?
Ahorita como seamos grandes,
Sí.
nos regresamos.
Cuando seamos grandes ya tengamos unos 1000, le regresamos el favor.
Unos 1000, oye, cálmate.
Ya teniendo 1000 ya hacemos algo.
¿Qué le hicimos?
Hey, yeah. See, if we hit 1,000 subscribers here, I don't know, shit, I'm happy with that.
Yo también.
Osira. Even though we're hanging out often.
¿Qué? ¿Por de vuelta?
So ya estaban ahí criticando la V6. Pero
ya se retiró el desmadre.
ya, la grisona ya va a tomar break en el desmadre un rato.
Sí, yeah.
Porque,
If I do burn out, it's gonna be a stock.
yeah. And then, so you're gonna try to build a burnout truck in the future.
Yeah, probably.
Which we are gonna try to get a burnout truck for next year as well.
We'll probably build one together.
Yeah. Either we'll have one so that we can both enjoy and take it to the shows. Si no puedo yo, o que mi compa papaya aquí quiera hacer desmadre un día, pues llévatela y acábatela. Pero, if, I mean, hopefully everything goes well, we'll be able to have a truck to take to the shows and hacer un show, un desmadre y arreglarla cuando se descomponga.
Oh, lo te metes luces, güey. Sponsored by.
Oh, sí. Mira,
Surprise,
prende
bro.
una gente ya ha visto, pero pues tiene rock lights. Pero la neta se me da que we're gonna change out the rock lights to wheel rings.
Los dos.
Or maybe both of them.
Porque uno está chido porque o sea, luza todo y la otra luza como el ring, ¿sabes cómo?
Sí.
I think both of them together would be nice.
Some people's gonna say, nah, that's whack or whatever, but
Hey, and a lift truck, fucking fuck.
en la noche, a ver
Got
si,
money, build it.
en la noche a ver si es cierto que no la estás viendo cuando te pase en el freeway alusando toda la carretera.
Oh, look, man, something else would be nice would be the handles.
Oh, yeah. Los door handles que lucen.
The escalator ones, ¿no?
Sí. Como aquella.
Como que ya.
Aquella es un jale que tenemos ahorita. Estamos haciendo
Y luego los mirrors, I wanna get the
color,
one. Maybe I could come
chrome
up.
delete. Los mirrors.
Yeah, the one that have like abajo.
Oh, sí, la luz.
There's some aftermarket ones that are pretty nice. Son así casi igualitos, nada más que atrás tienen like the LED and then when you put it in the canal se sale en orange.
Oh, sí. Aquí tenemos ahorita lo básico nosotros aquí ahorita.
Ahorita andamos en un budget.
Andamos building on a budget. Pero pues ahí está mi raza. Just a quick little video let you guys know what has been done to the truck. Que se tuvo que hacer para ponerla aquí. Pero yo lo que digo es que no siempre tienes que meterle toda la feria, comprar todo nuevo para hacerla. Si puedes encontrar una tranza para sacar la feria or buy used that is almost new, ustedes no se agüiten. I mean, no one's gonna, se pueden criticar, pero al final del día el que sacó el dinero son ustedes. So, pues ahí está. 2015 GMC Sierra 26 intros, full color match, sunroof, coilovers, the whole 9 yards kind of. Nada más vamos a hacer el interior y otros rines y tubs. So, bueno, papaya, gracias por compartir tu historia con nosotros y vamos a ver qué sigue next.
Yep.
Our next show is gonna be in Phoenix, que se llama Modded Culture, The Sanctuary 5. Ese va a ser October 28th. So vamos a ir para allá. It's a little bit more of a car show, pero I guess trucks are going too. So we'll check that out, and then we'll show you guys how that went for us. But for today, that's a wrap. Again, papaya, thank you for sharing with us, and vamos a seguirle echando ganas aquí a los videos. Let me know, give us ideas, let us know what you guys think. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the merch at paisabuild.com. Hoodies, t-shirts, lanyards, keychains, stickers. We're going to be adding more stuff. Hopefully we can get more designs in here soon. Vamos a dibujar esta otra vez because we used a shirt for this one. And we're going to go ahead and update it with the new wheels and something cool. So, oh yeah, we have a raffle for the sunroof, and we'll be uploading that. We'll try to upload that before, so hopefully you know about it already. If not, we'll upload it here really soon. But on the website you can get more information. Every $10 you spend is one entry for the sunroof, which is gonna be, it's pretty much like that. Well, it is like that. This is the same brand, same everything. So our current giveaway is gonna be a sunroof like that. Este es de los mismos. So it's a universal sunroof. So make sure to check out our website for more information. Check out our social media, and that way you can have your Mamalana with sunroof, because Webasto is no longer available. So this is the new Webastos. Well, thank you for watching, guys. You guys have a good day. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Ciao.
Peace.
There's guys.